Top tip for the day, these Ford lug nuts totally suck. As you can see, there's this like tin stuff, this chrome plated tin pressed around the actual lug nut. You can tear that off and then you've got a regular socket inside. And these are fine until they get used, because when they're good, they fit right inside a 19mm. But as soon as you damage them or take them off, they start to rust inside and then they swell. This is my Focus and they come right off because they haven't been damaged badly yet. My Escape has the same lug nuts, but you can hardly get a socket on them. Now, there's two ways that you can do it. You can take a 19mm, put it on there, tap it on with a hammer, get it off, put a screwdriver or punch through here, knock them out, or thread them on 3 or 4 turns and yank them off. Or they actually make a 19.5mm socket that you can use. A lot of times it comes in this thing that you can like flip around that you have to use an extension for. It's like 18.5 on one side and 19.5 on the other, and they're made specifically for swelled lug nuts. I know Ford is bad for these. I'm sure other automakers use them too because it's a cheap way to make them shiny, but yeah, there's your options for crappy lug nuts.